quick video. So as some of you know, I do Uber on the side with the F-150 here. Just finished doing its bi-monthly carpet cleaning, well, detailing. I don't mind the wet spots, just takes a little longer for the center to dry out. We're currently at 54K, so we're getting pretty higher there. Working on trying to do some more upgrades for the inside. I took out the center cup holder there just to wash that. But yeah, this thing gets pretty dirty. This is like about 14-15 days, varying depending on month. Sometimes maybe 16. Let's go with 14-16. Let's go with that. So after scrubbing the ever-loving shit out of it, remember, I do this every bi-week. Most of this dirt is coming from my passengers, because Virginia has some nasty people. No offense, Virginia, but some of my passengers out here get pretty dirty. Just seats coming. Let me see if I found a container. That'll work. That's dark as shit. Oh. So you can see how dark it is from here. Again, this is all from 14 to 16 days. I wash this thing out before I start. Life of an Uber driver.